morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine.
May I know your good name?
My good name is Nagma Khatun.
Which school do you study?
My school name is Imperial International Secondary School.
Which class do you study?
I read in class third.
आपको पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है?
Yes.
साइंस पढ़ते हैं?
Yes.
साइंस का फर्स्ट चैप्टर नाम क्या है?
Living and non-living things.
लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स का मतलब क्या होता है?
सजीव वस्तु और निर्जीव वस्तु.
साइंस का सेकंड चैप्टर नाम क्या है?
Our body part.
और बॉडी पार्ट्स मतलब क्या होता है? और बॉडी पार्ट्स मतलब
हमारे शरीर के भाग.
इससे रिलेटेड मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता हूँ, आप बताइएगा?
Yes.
You tell me some meaning about human body.
Human body. Our body is made up of different parts. All parts of our body organ together to help us carry out various activities.
आप बताइए ना, व्हाट इज ऑर्गन? ऑर्गन क्या है?
What is organ? The part of our body are also called organ.
How many main part of our body?
Our body has two main parts, external part and internal part.
What is the external part?
The body part of our body which can be seen from outside called our external part.
What is the definition of human head?
The body part above our necks is the head. It has ear, eye, nose, and mouth. It also has a brain inside it. The front part of the head is called the forehead. Our head is made up of a strong bones called the skull. It has hair on it.
Why are necessary eyes for human beings?
Eye are the very important organ in human beings because without ear we cannot see anything. Our eye help us to see and
Recognize.
recognize different things around us. So we should not rub our eye hair.
What is nose?
Our nose is very important organ of human body. Our nose help us to breathe because we cannot survive without breathing. Our nose also has us to small.
Smell. आप बताइए नगमा, you tell me some meaning about chest. आप chest के बारे में बताइए.
It is the part of our body, organ like lungs and heat are later inside our chest.
What is ear?
What is ear? Ear are also very important organ in our body. We hear should our ear भी हमारे शरीर का इम्पोर्टेंट ऑर्गन है. हम अपने कानों से ध्वनि सुन सकते हैं.
You tell me some meaning about abdomen.
The part of our body below the chest is known as the abdomen. It has many important organs like liver and kidney inside it.
What is limbs?
What is limb? There are two types of limbs in our body. These are known as upper limbs and lower limbs.
What is upper limbs?
Our two arms are our upper limbs. Such arm has shoulder and a wrist and a head. Our upper limbs.
What is lower limbs?
Our two limbs are our lower limbs, such legs as has a heap a things a keen a foot a heel etc. or lower limbs help us in recording working drawing and jumping etc.
What is the internal part of human body?
The part of our body which can be seen are called external part. External part. The parts are parts is our body such as the brain, head, lungs, stomach, liver, kidney, etc. are the external part of our body.
Good. now आप बताइए what is brain? brain क्या है?
The brain inside our head and all the of our body in the our body the brain in surrounding and by a scholar it is sent to different parts of our body and help us to link feel so different revolves things etc.
Very nice.